Thanks for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. At National Gear Repair, we're a comprehensive industrial machinery repair center focusing on the repair and remanufacturing of planetary gearboxes. We work on all brands associated with Planetary such as Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and more. In today's video, we'll be checking out a repair we did on a planetary gearbox. If you have an old or obsolete planetary gearbox that you can no longer get parts for, we can reverse engineer it and remanufacture all the necessary gearing and shafts to the exact same Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness. We can even manufacture gears such as helical, herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer a 24 to 48 hour emergency rush repair to make sure that you can get your planetary gearbox back in production as soon as possible. At National Gear Repair, we also offer a 24-month warranty that goes into effect the date you put your planetary gearbox into production. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget that National Gear Repair has your back.